Quitting smoking was the most difficult thing that we've ever done, and quitting is the most rewarding thing we've ever done. I was about 19 when I started, which is an easy age. Most kids that age are smoking. You hang out with people at parties, anywhere you go, everybody's smoking. If I wanted to go on a vacation, we made pit stops for cigarette breaks. If we wanted to go do something as a family, even going to a movie, you felt that incredible itch during the movie that you wanted to pause the big screen and go outside for a cigarette. It has complete control over you because it is an addictive substance. You don't know how to live without it. And it makes you feel like you'll never be able to quit because you've tried so many times and you're just never successful. I had heard it on the radio, commercials for the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline, but it was actually my boss who was the one who urged me to get the free products. That was the first step. I thought that it would be a simple fix and I would quit right away, when in reality, it did take the full program. I had many moments of weakness, but they would also provide you random texts. Sometimes they were just what you needed to get yourself through the day, random boosts of support to tell you can do it. If you needed to check in with them, it was a reminder that they're there for you. If you wanted to, you could call and talk to coaches that are there for you 24/7. If you ever feel weak and you need someone to just talk to, they are not judgmental. They understand that you're in a moment of struggle and they need to help you through it, and that's exactly what they're there for. If I had a close friend or family member that was thinking about quitting, I would absolutely recommend the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline. It's free and it's available 24/7. If you want to quit, there is help.